diseases. When we are sick, we don't feel good. A disease is a condition in which our body or a part of it does not function properly. Diseases are caused due to many reasons. They are of two types: non-communicable and communicable. Non-communicable diseases. Diseases that do not spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. Some non-communicable diseases are caused due to the deficiency of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins or minerals in our diet. These are called deficiency diseases. Some of the deficiency diseases are given in the table below. Carbohydrates, marasmus. The child becomes so thin that loose folds of skin can be seen all over the body. The ribs of the child are also visible. Proteins, kwashiorkor. The abdomen of the child gets swollen and bulges out. The legs become thin. Iron, anemia, very low number of red blood cells in blood. Extreme fatigue, weakness, pale skin. Iodine, goiter, swelling of the thyroid gland present near the neck region. Calcium and phosphorus, improper development of bones and teeth. The bones and teeth become weak and brittle. Vitamin A, night blindness. A person cannot see in dim light. Vitamin B, beri-beri. Skin becomes dry and scaly. Extreme weakness affects the nervous system and muscles. Vitamin C, scurvy, swelling and bleeding of gums. Vitamin D, rickets, bow legs, bent legs, bending of the spine. Communicable diseases. The diseases that can spread from one person to another are called communicable diseases. These diseases are caused by microorganisms called germs. Some of the communicable diseases caused by the germs are as follows: germs, diseases, bacteria, cholera, pneumonia, tuberculosis, typhoid, plague, meningitis. Viruses, common cold, flu, polio, chickenpox, measles, AIDS. Protozoa, malaria. Spread of communicable diseases. Germs can travel from a sick person's body and enter a healthy person's body to cause disease and infection. This can happen in the following ways: through the air. When a sick person coughs, sneezes, or spits, some germs from his body go into the air. When a healthy person breathes in this air, the germs enter his body and make him sick. Common cold, diphtheria, viral fever, whooping cough, and measles spread through the air.
Number 2. Through infected food and water. Food and water may get infected with germs when they are not stored properly. Eating infected food and drinking infected water causes diseases. Diarrhea, typhoid, jaundice, and cholera are some diseases that spread through infected food and water. Number 3. Through direct contact. A healthy person can get germs by coming in contact with an infected person, his clothing, or other things used by him. Chickenpox, ringworm, whooping cough, measles spread through direct contact. Number 4. Through insects. When a female Anopheles mosquito bites a sick person suffering from malaria, it sucks the malaria germs along with the sick person's blood. When it bites a healthy person, the malaria germs pass into the victim's blood and make him sick. Similarly, Aedes mosquito spread dengue. Vaccination. This is an effective way of preventing communicable diseases. Vaccines are made of small quantities of very weak germs of a particular disease. They are given orally or injected into the child's body. When they enter the body produces substances capable of fighting the germs of that disease. This creates immunity against a particular disease. Some common vaccines that are given to all children are polio vaccine to prevent polio, DPT vaccine to prevent diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis, MMR vaccine to prevent measles, mumps, and rubella,